Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about you how actually Amazon really makes money, because a lot of people doesn't know how Amazon, the company itself, really makes money, and they make the money not really how people think. Probably people think, oh, they make money selling products, which is not how they make money. They make money in a different way. And yeah. Okay, probably people think, oh, Amazon make money by actually selling products and deliver to the customer, which they make revenue, but not real profit upon this source of revenue, because it's not a very profitable business doing it that way. And you probably might think, so why they do keep doing it if they don't make actually money off of that? Well, because they make money on the back end. This is called front end. If you actually sell the product, you buy it, someone actually buy it, you get it and you use it, it's called front end money, which usually are the least amount of money you can make. You can make a lot of revenue, but not so much profit. And the first source of making money of Amazon is actually advertising. Because think about logically, advertising doesn't need storage space, doesn't need people to pack it, doesn't need cars and another people to deliver to the customer, doesn't need logistic. This business doesn't need nothing, only a software. We set it up one time and that's it. When someone making advertising for their product on your platform, you collecting money without any overhead. And I show you now into my computer what I'm talking about. So I am on the Amazon here platform, and let's see some products. Let's see power. Okay, let's see power bank. Any power bank. Do you see those products here? Sponsor, 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 sponsor. Those guys paying extra money Amazon to put their product on top of the page. And let's also, this one is an advertising, but this it's a store advertising, and this one is product. So what actually cost Amazon to put this product on top of the page? Zero. Doesn't cost nothing. And now when I click on this one, because Amazon, if you don't know, it's pay per click. So anytime you click a sponsor product, Amazon collect your money regardless. If you buy it, if you don't buy it, if you actually buy it and return it because you don't like it, or any reason you have to don't like this product, Amazon will take your money as if you are a seller. If you are a customer, you'll get your refund wherever. But as a seller, you lost that money. And for example, for this one to be on top here of the page, it's kind of expensive. People pay like, I don't know, one, let's say £1 per click, or maybe less, 70p or £1, which it's a lot. And click doesn't mean buy. Click and mean what is mean click. Okay, so this is the first way they make a lot of money, and which is very profitable. And for example, if we see the next one here, the next row, those guys doesn't pay nothing. This product rank organically. So that's why on my business I don't really like doing advertising for the product, because it's a lot of issue with that. There's nothing wrong with that. You can do it if you have a very solid product that you think people will like it and will want it. Like this one, this is all 5-star, so people really like this product and it's okay advertising. But one product that you're not really sure about, yeah, you can advertising, you can make sales, but in the end, if the product sucks, you'll get return and you lose the advertising money, and that's it. Okay, another way that Amazon makes money, it's through AWS, which stands for Amazon Web Services. And what really they do here, they offer like a host website, but it's not website, it's in the cloud for other businesses. For example, I give you one quick example about how this business works. It's like, for example, Facebook, to host their entire platform, to host their data, their when you upload a photo on Amazon, that photo have to be stored somewhere, right? And Amazon actually pay, and Facebook, sorry, actually pay Amazon or other company like that, but Amazon, they try to collect these big businesses to get their money. Facebook paid for have storage space, that's it. Cloud, it's only storage space, nothing more. Amazon make money of storing data, storing photo, storing everything that those businesses need. And it's, again, it's very, very profitable, this business, which I will show you in a minute. It's overshadow the the e-commerce business that Amazon have over the web services business that they have. Amazon, it's a public company, so you can see all the data. So they have to provide to the public the data, how their sales, their profit, and stuff like that. So let's see. Okay, this is the revenue. So as you can see, they store it in North America and international, AW service, and consolidate. So basically this is consolidate the total amount. And as you can see, for North America, actually their e-commerce business is profitable. So here is for 2019, they make 170 billions in revenue, and they make 7 billions in profit, and this is US dollars. Okay, the next one is international. Basically, it's the outside e-commerce business that they have. This include a third-party seller and stuff like that, fees and shipping and whatever. So as you can see, in 2019, their international revenue was 74 billion, and they lost 1 billion. So basically, for them, by selling in Germany, UK, France, and another parts of the world, Australia, or I don't know where they are for sure, but it's the rest, excluding America, it's losing money for them. So it's not a very good, I mean, if you can see the trend from 2017 to 2019, actually the sales are growing and the loss are less and less. So basically, if they hit probably, I don't know, 100 billion in revenue, they'll make profit here. But the superstar here, it's the AW service. Look at here, 35 billion in revenue, 9 billion in profit. So it's absolutely destroying the e-commerce business. Those guys here in America, they have to make 170 billions to make a 7 billion profit, and here it's you have to make 35 billion to make 9 in profit. So this is the total, all of this combined. So basically it's 280 billion in revenue and 265 in expenses, and 11.5 billion in profit. All this business combined with taking off these losses and adding all this profit, all this is the whole Amazon business making in 2019 11 billion in profit. So this will be, they will have to pay taxes on this money, and but this is only operation, forget about taxes and whatever other thing they may have. So here it's they break down in another way how they make the revenue. So online store, it's 141 billion. This is their product. They're selling themselves. When you go and you click on the product and you click on who's selling it, if it's Amazon, actually it's considered here. Sometimes can be 5 sellers, 10 sellers, and if one of them is Amazon and they sell it, uh, it will be added here. So physical store, they have like acquire some businesses like Whole Food and stuff like that. I think it's in here considering physical store, and actually it's here. Include a product sell where our customer physically select item in the store. Sell from customer who order goods um, online for delivery or pick it up at our physical store are included in our online store. So yeah, the sales that they made in their physical store, 70 billion. And third party seller service, so this is it, 53 billion in third party revenue. Subscription fees, this is number 4, include the annual monthly fees associated with Amazon Prime membership, as well as audiobook, digital video, digital music, and other non-AWS subscription fees. So basically here is their subscription fees. They make actually a lot of money, 19 billion. It's a lot of money. And here is the AW, 35 billion, and others, other related. Well, let's see. Primarily includes sales of advertising services as well as sales related to other service offering. So yeah, they sell like 40 billion in advertising. It's what I talked about previously. So yeah, if you go another step a little bit here, let's say in the they break down the sale for the country. United States 193 billions, Germany 22, UK 17, Japan, and actually Japan it's 16 billion, is very good. Rest of the world, uh, 31 billion, so will be the rest like Amazon, Australia, Italy, what is not here, France, and so on and so forth. So yeah guys, this is how actually Amazon make his money. You can check this file yourself. Just type in Google Amazon investor relationship and you'll find all this file. So you will see I'm not talking from myself or from I invent this stuff. It's actually real. They have to disclose to the public how actually they make money. Obviously there will be other ways that they make some a little bit less money, but that are not showing up here. But if I'm sure if I do even deeper research, they will actually disclose that, because they're forced by law by the SEC to disclose how actually they make money and every stuff related to their business model and so on and so forth, so the investor can actually understand how the business work and how all the parts is moving and stuff like that. So hopefully this video make you understand how actually they make money and what they doing. So I think I'll wrap it up here, the video. Thank you very much for watching it, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.